In this lesson, I'll introduce you to Amazon Web Services automation, including Elastic Beanstalk and Cloudformation. Elastic Beanstalk is an easy-to-use service that deploys, manages, and scales web apps and services. Elastic Beanstalk supports Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Ruby, Python, and Docker containers. Elastic Beanstalk leverages familiar AWS services such as Amazon EC2, S3, Simple Notification Service, Elastic Load Balancing, and Auto Scaling. There is no additional charge other than provisioned AWS resources. To get started with Elastic Beanstalk, access the AWS Management Console, Command Line Interface, or the SDKs. Choose your platform and EC2 instance type. Select additional resources to use, such as VPC and RDS. Choose to enable auto-scaling, elastic load balancing, and notifications. And finally, upload code or pull from an Amazon S3 bucket. Cloudformation provides AWS customers with the tools they need to create and manage the infrastructure required to run on AWS. Cloudformation consists of templates, which is a JSON-formatted text file that is declarative and describes AWS resources to provision. Cloudformation consists of stacks, which is a collection of AWS resources provisioned as defined by a template. There is no additional charge other than the provisioned AWS resources. Cloudformation templates can be version controlled, effectively enabling infrastructure as code. Use the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or SDKs to create, update, and delete stacks. When a stack is deleted, all related resources are deleted unless specified otherwise. In summary, with Amazon Automation Services, specifically Elastic Beanstalk and Cloudformation, you can focus on building the business logic and great applications while letting Amazon do the heavy lifting.